Many of us feel lost when we don't get the results we want in life. We may think that following the crowd will lead us to success, but does it really? Can we truly find success if we don't listen to our inner voice? This is the story of Sam, a young man who didn't know where to turn after high school. While his friends rushed to college, Sam felt stuck, unsure of what path to follow. He wasn't driven by money or status, but by something deeper. The need to understand himself. His father, a wise and patient man, gave Sam a task. Meet 3 people, hear their stories, and maybe, just maybe, those stories would show him his true path. Sam's first visit was to Mr. Andres, an athlete who overcame struggles in school by dedicating himself to what he loved, running. He wasn't the smartest, but his passion led him to success. Next, he met Mr. Thomas, a man who found success not in grades, but in cooking. It was his love for food that built his restaurant empire. Finally, Sam met Mr. Miguel, the top student who shared a valuable lesson. True success comes from focusing deeply on one thing, rather than being scattered. And in the quiet of his own heart, Sam realized his true passion was always there. Working with horses. Sam understood now that success isn't about following someone else's story. It's about discovering your own. True success comes from within. It's about understanding yourself and following your passion. The path may not be easy, but when you listen to your inner voice, you'll find the way. So what will you choose? Will you listen to your inner voice and create your own path to success? Like, share, and subscribe to continue discovering your path to success.